welcome back to my channel. I hope you're keeping well and safe. It's that time again where I'm back with the May Glossybox. So on the website it states that the box is worth over £62 and I'm just going to open up the magazine. So the theme of this month's magazine is City Glow and this is the digital copy. As usual we have the contents, the editor's note and what's inside the box. And then it goes on to give us some articles regarding hair care and skincare. I'm just going to read out the editor's note to you. And it says, "Love the hustle and bustle of city life and want to embrace your city girl style? Our May City Glow box, packed with 5 beauty essentials, will prep you for the summer months ahead and will ensure you stand out and shine among the city lights. Let your imagination grow and your features glow. With brands such as Fresh Monu, Kueshi, the perfect box for channeling your inner city girl. Love, Team Glossy." And then it goes on to tell us the story behind this month's box. And it says, "City Glow. Are you a real city girl at heart? Do you love the big city flair and keep up with all the upcoming beauty trends? Then our May edition is perfect for you. In this box you will discover your new favourite beauty essentials which will have you prepared and ready for summer in the big city." Then we have the full reveal and these are the potential items we will receive. So let's open this up and see what we have. These are all the items I have received this month. The first product we have is a fresh soy face cleanser which is worth £4.20. Like any cleanser, I use this twice a day to remove any makeup or skin impurities, but this one is supposed to help with skin elasticity and reduce irritation. Next we have the Kueshi coconut shower gel which is worth £13. So this is a coconut scented shower gel and it just works like a regular shower gel. I want to smell how strong it is. This literally smells like pure coconut, so if you like coconut oil or any coconut fragrances, you will love this shower gel. Then we have the Monu Firming Facial Oil, which is worth £26.95. So this oil contains rose and patchouli essential oil, which helps improve skin's radiance and complexion. And on here it states all you need to tone and firm tired or dehydrated skin. It says to use after cleansing and toning, warm in the palm of the hands and massage into the skin using gentle upward movements. Let's give this a try. I can smell lavender on here even though it's supposed to be rose and patchouli. You can see the glow it's added to my skin. So the next item is an option between 2 brands of a lip pencil which will be received. So it's either the Nude Stick Matte Lip Pencil or the La Rouge Francais Lip and Cheek Tint. And I have received the Matte Lip Pencil by Nude Stick, which is worth £17. So this is supposed to be a 3-in-1 pencil, so it's a lip liner, lipstick and a cheek tint. And I'm just going to swatch it on my hands. Oh, look at that colour. I don't know how to show you guys. Okay, let me just re-swatch it. This colour is absolutely stunning. It glides on so smoothly and so beautifully. I really do look forward to trying this. This is in the shade Blossom, but look how pretty the colour is. It does claim to be kiss proof and transfer proof and I really do want to try it out, but not today. Then we have a hair care like a dip which gives us an option of 6 products which are either conditioners, hair mask or hair oil. I have received the Wella Nourishing Mask which is worth £4.95 and it's a Dulux size. So this hair mask contains goji berries which provides vitamins and minerals to the hair, giving it a nourishing feel and restoring your hair's condition. So it says on here deep nourishing mask with a goji berry and then on the back we have a little icon that shows how to use it. So we keep it on our hair for 5 minutes and I'm just going to smell it. It smells really nice. It smells very like a familiar product that I use. Oh, it smells like the Colour Wow shampoo and conditioner. Pretty sure it smells like that, which I absolutely love. Now we have one more product in our Glossybox, which is this Fibre Wanna Go chocolate flavour donut bite. Can't say no to a bit of snack, so that will do me justice once I finish recording. I hope you guys found this useful. Thank you so much for watching and supporting. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And if there are any more tutorials you'd like to watch, please let me know in the comment section below. Take care for now and I shall see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye!